You want to learn how to build a mobile app? I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a mobile app for free on the Builderall platform. And this is going to blow your mind, so stay tuned. All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about an easy mobile app builder that requires no coding at all, and it's included with the platform I use for my marketing. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, my name is Zeb Summers. I talk about make money online, affiliate internet digital marketing. I'm here to help teach you marketing skills and help you along the journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. All right, so if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified every day for these daily videos, and also give me a like if you feel like there's some content value add from this video. All right, if you do happen to subscribe, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you would like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. Just let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see. All right, guys, let's get on with today's video. Easy mobile app builder with no coding required. So you're probably saying, Zeb, I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about, but I'm going to run over here and show exactly how you can do this pretty easily. All right. So we're going to be talking about Builderall, and I know I've done many videos talking about Builderall, and this is just one of the features in Builderall that make it so powerful. All right. We're going to go over and make a mobile app, and I'm not going to do nothing fancy. I'm going to take you through the process to show you how easy this is with this platform. All right. So first thing we do is log into your Builderall back office. And if you don't have a Builderall account, hit the link below. You'll see a link down below, 90-day challenge, best product to promote. Those are both Builderall. Just click on that link and go to it. Sign up for a free 7-day account and come in here and start using the product. All right. So Builderall back office, go to builders, which is at the top left-hand corner, and then you want to go to app creator. All right. So once you go into app creator, it's going to launch its own window. All right. So it's going to launch its own window. It's going to tell you if you have any applications. Of course, I don't have any here because I don't build any apps. But I could see where this could become very powerful, and I will show you how. All right. So you come in here and you're just going to name your application. All right. So I'm just going to name it Test App 01 for now. All right. So this is just a demo. So I come in here, I create my app. All right. So my app's being created right now. All right. So this is many different templates that you can use for your app. All right. So say I wanted just a plain Jane app, or if I wanted a task tracker app, right? Maybe I wanted to build a task tracker. Maybe I just want to build an app for an event. I could use this club event, corporate events, right? Maybe I'm having a corporate event. I just want to, or maybe I'm having a vendor event where I'm showing off a product like Norwex or something like that. And I want to create a quick app that when people come to my booth, they can scan a QR code, download my app, and I can give them information about the products and they can actually order it from right there. That would be pretty dope, right? So there's all kinds of cool stuff that you can actually do with this app. Say I'm a florist and I want to build an app, and when people come into my shop, I can have a QR code on the door, I can have a QR code on my counter, they can scan it and they can have my business on their phone instantly. This goes for fitness, this goes for music, it goes for restaurants, lawyers. Guys, you can start using your head here and think of, wow, I can build an app very easy with this platform, right? You don't need to know how to code or anything, all right? So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's see if we can pick one out. Let's say Florist would be kind of cool, I guess. Let's just pick florist. And of course, this is totally winging it right here. So I'm doing this totally live. I've never done this before. So bear with me as I come through here and show you how easy this is. All right. So I am running through this and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Okay. So this is the layout. This is what it's going to look like on your phone. All right. This is the design. I can change the layout. Say I want to change my layout here. Uh, there's all these different types of layouts I can put in here. Default, whatever I want to do, man. I can switch it up to whatever I like. I'm gonna keep the default layout because I kind of like that, and we're just gonna keep it like that for now. All right. We can change all the colors. We can change the background. We can change so much stuff with all this. All right. We're gonna go over to the next. You go across the top here, and you pick what you want. All right. So you pick the colors that you want. You pick the features. There's a lot of colors here that you can pick. All right. I don't want to use this green. I want to use a pink or a purple or whatever color it is, guys. There's a lot of colors you got to go through, but you just start at the top and you go through and you've picked the ones that you want the best, all right, that you like the best. We're not going to spend time doing that. I'm going to just show you how easy it is to get this app up and running. So next thing is the features of the app, all right? So I click on this. We're going to wait for it to load. And this is the default features that are already included in the app, all right? So we already have Facebook page, contact, a loyalty card, galleries for different flower arrangements, news like coming from my blog, uh, the florist information, a discount, maybe there's a promo for the month, notifications that we can push out to the customers once they download our app. All right. Say I wanted to add more stuff to it. All right. I could add more stuff, an RSS feed. I could add likes, whatever I want. All right. You can start seeing how powerful this is. Okay. We're going to go over here to the application. All right. So this is where it's going to say, okay, what do you want your app to look like? All right. So this is going to be the name of the app. This is going to be the icon of the app. Maybe I'm like, it's kind of cheesy. Maybe I want to put my logo for my company in this for my app. All right. So I would run over to like Canva or someplace, create a logo, make it my app logo. So it's something more appealing with my app. All right. So once you do that, then you just come through here and you say, okay, I want to use these things for my app. I'm almost ready to go. And the cool thing is this is going to build an iOS app and an Android app. All right. So once we're done with our app, and guys, these are already done for you. The templates are pretty much done for you. You gotta just plug in the information, like for the Facebook page, for example. You just gotta put your Facebook address. For your contact information, you just gotta put your contact information. You guys, for your gallery, you just gotta go in here and put in your stuff for your gallery. All right. So here's like the gallery. Here's the news. So you just got to link this to your blog. All right. Add content to it. Contact. You're just gonna add your contact information. All right. Maybe that's an email address, your phone number, your all that kind of stuff. Directions. And right here's what it's gonna look like on the app. It's gonna show you right here. All right. And right here's what it's gonna look like on the app. That's where you can go change all these colors. Like, I don't like that yellow. I want a pink or a purple. All right. So say you want to set up a loyalty card. All this stuff is built in for you, and you can start thinking about maybe it's not a florist, maybe it's a barber shop or something like that. All right. But so here you come in. So maybe it's a loyalty card that I'm using. You know how you get them punch cards. So every time you come in, you log in here and you get your cards signed up with your account. All right. So guys, you can see how cool this is, and I think it's really cool. All right. So once you get this all done, once you're happy with the setup and you tweaked it and you put in all your information, you're going to come over here to publication. All right. You're going to name it. You're going to get your bundle ID and your package name. This is going to be used for when you publish your app to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. All right. So you're going to need this information. All right. So you're going to need all this information, because when you go to publish that in your developer's account, and maybe I'll do another video following this one that shows you how to do that, but I'm not going in that. You can actually find a gazillion YouTube videos that show you how to publish your app in one of the stores. All you need is this stuff here. Okay. So when you're ready to publish, you just say, okay, I'm ready to publish my app. It's going to take you over to this account, right? So you're going to go through your information here. If you're a $49.90 Builderall account holder, that's the Builderall business. You don't have to pay. You can do as many as you want with these apps. All right. So right now, I just fill in all my information. I select web publishing, and then I hit save. And it's going to tell me I owe $0 because I am already a Builderall business builder. So I get all this for free. If it was not, I could only do one app and it would charge me each time I want to publish an app. All right. That's if I was a $29.90 subscription holder. All right. I'm the $49.90. So I got all the bells and whistles for Builderall. So it tells me, cool, your application will be published soon. Click here to go back to the applications list. So I'll go back to my applications. Here's my applications. It's going to get published. And once it's published, I go in there and grab my information, all right, for this app. Da, 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 da. All right, so once it's published, I can go in here, I can start promoting my app. Let's go through these things on the side here just so I can show you what this stuff is. So I can promote my app. I can do Android OS, and I can create QR codes for that. So like I said, I can put a QR code on the door where somebody could just come in here and take a QR code and downloads my app to their phone. Analytics, or I can put the QR code on the back of a business card, whatever it is, right? Brochures. Analytics, it'll show you your app analytics. Let's go into that just so you see what the dashboard shows you here. It'll show you exactly, okay, where are all your stuff coming from. Of course, I don't have any users coming in yet, so it's not going to show me, but it'll show me what users come in at what locations. It'll show me like, okay, I had most hits in this month, maybe it's slow in this month, or maybe I had an event so it was real high and then went dipped. So this would allow me to get some analytics on the mobile app. All right. Feature analytics. Let's go over here to this guy here. And I don't know if you guys think this is cool or not. Give me a like if you think this is cool. Put a comment down below. Let me know what you got. If any like comments, if you think this is cool, if it's stupid. But I think it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool platform that Builderall has inside to help you with your marketing. This allows you to build your own little analytic dashboard. All right, so this lets you track what users have actually downloaded and created accounts with your application. All right, and then your settings allow you to do terms and conditions, link APIs, domains, all kinds of stuff. Right, so you can send push notifications right here. So you can go to dashboard. You could do push notifications to everybody that has your app, and all that fun stuff. All right, guys. So that was Builderall's app creator. And again, how to get to this was you get into Builderall, you go to the Builderall page, you sign in, create your free 7-day account. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description for Builderall. Get your free 7-day account, log in, create something, see if you like the platform. If you do, sign up. You could also, if you feel like you could sign up and you had a friend that also would like to do this, or if you had a buddy that owns a barber shop or a restaurant, you say, hey, dude, I got this software. It's only $49 a month. You can build a website. You can build sales funnels. You can do all this stuff with it. You can also build an app. It's only 49 bucks a month. You have them sign up and they pay for yours. All right. So it's a win-win. Guys, this is what I was talking about today. I wanted to go over the app creator within Builderall. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Again, if you had any comments, post them below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future. Hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Peace out.